If your piggy bank looks lonely, it's time to make it work harder. Let's talk stocks. Ever wondered what the stock market is? It's a place where people buy and sell pieces of companies called shares. When you buy a share, you're owning a tiny part of that company. Why do companies issue stock? They need money to grow, research, or pay off debts. When they go public, they sell shares to investors like you and me. There are two main types of stocks: common and preferred. Common stockholders can vote and might get dividends, but they're last in line if things go south. Preferred stockholders get dividends first, but usually don't get voting rights. Stock prices, they change based on supply and demand. More buyers push prices up, more sellers push them down. It's affected by company performance, economic conditions, and market sentiment. Want to start investing? Open a brokerage account. Many online brokers offer easy-to-use platforms and educational resources. Remember diversification and risk tolerance. Spread your investments and know how much risk you can handle. Long-term investing versus short-term trading. Long-term is like planting a tree. It grows slowly but surely. Short-term is like a roller coaster, thrilling but risky. Keep learning. The more you know, the better you'll do. Enjoyed the video? Subscribe and hit the bell for more. See you next time.